Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to completely demystify a journey that so many of you have been asking about lately. We're talking about how to move from just being a casual, everyday AI chatter to becoming a highly paid, in-demand AI professional. Basically, we're going to break down the exact, actionable steps you need to take to land your very first AI job.
Okay, let's dive into this. Because I know, looking at the news every day, it totally feels like everyone out there is some kind of tech genius and you've completely missed the boat. But listen to this quote from entrepreneur Dan Martell, because it's absolutely crucial. He says, "You're not behind on AI yet. Most people don't understand how to use it." And he's spot on. The window of opportunity is wide open right now. And today, we're going to make sure you step right through it.
But before we get into the heavy lifting, I actually want to hear from you. Be honest with yourself and with our community here. Drop a comment right now. What level of AI user are you? Are you a total beginner who's maybe asked for a dinner recipe once? Or are you in there every single day as a power user? Look, there is no wrong answer, but identifying exactly where you're starting from is the very first step to leveling up. To put things into perspective, check out this staggering statistic from AI expert Ishan Sharma. 90% of people are completely missing out on what AI can actually do for them. 90%. That is massive. Most folks are just stuck treating it like a basic search engine, asking it simple how-to questions. And by doing that, they're leaving all the real power and the real money completely on the table.
So here is our level up roadmap for today's explainer. Number 1, the AI opportunity gap. Number 2, master core fundamentals. Number 3, level up your skills. Number 4, build your personal brand. And finally, number 5, land your AI job.
Section 1, the AI opportunity gap. Right now, there is a massive divide between the people who are adapting to this technology and those getting left behind. Ishan Sharma breaks this down into a brilliant 5-level framework. Most people, like we said, are stuck down at level 1, the chatter, just writing a basic email or planning a weekend trip. Level 2 is the power user, generating images or documents. But the real magic, that happens when you cross into level 3, the context engineer. Then you hit the automator at level 4. And finally, the ultimate goal, level 5, the agent builder. This is the boss level, guys. This is where you aren't just consuming AI, you're actually building and selling AI products.
Section 2, Master Core Fundamentals.
Now, what's really interesting here is that to reach that coveted level 5, we can't just skip ahead. We absolutely must master the core mechanics first. And that brings us to what is arguably the most important skill of the decade, prompt engineering. Now, this isn't just typing stuff into a box. It's the critical skill of writing highly precise, optimized text inputs. You really have to internalize that AI isn't thinking like a human does. It's actually a massive predictive engine. It's just mathematically looking for the next logical token or word based on your exact input. The better your input, the more valuable the output. It's that simple.
Dan Martell gives a beautifully simple explanation for this. He says AI isn't magic at all. It's just advanced pattern recognition. Think about it. If you say, "Twinkle, twinkle, little," the AI instantly predicts the word star because that is statistically what comes next in its vast training data. Once it clicks for you that it's literally just predicting based on the context you provide, your entire approach to using it completely changes.
Think of AI like a genie. This is a fantastic metaphor shared by Ayushman Pandita. If you give a genie a really vague instruction like, "Hey, give me unlimited money," well, the genie might just go rob every bank in the world, hand you the cash, and get you thrown in jail. It totally backfires because you left way too many blanks for the AI to just guess at. An engineered prompt, on the other hand, sets strict boundaries. Something like, "Give me a legal, risk-free strategy to build wealth." See the difference? Precision is literally everything here.
Section 3, level up your skills.
Okay, so now that we know exactly why precise prompts are a big deal, I want to give you the exact tactical framework the pros use to write perfect prompts every single time. It's Dan Martell's RCCF framework, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. It stands for role, context, command, and format. First, role. You tell the AI exactly who to act like. Next, context. Feed it the background info. Then command. Give it a very explicit task. And finally, format. Tell it exactly how you want the output to look, maybe a bulleted list or a data table. Dan actually used this exact framework, telling an AI to act like a world-class marketing strategist, and he solved a founder's massive 3-week marketing headache in literally 12 seconds. No joke. And this brilliantly illustrates the difference between amateur and professional prompting. Take Ayushman's software engineer example. A basic prompt is just, "Help me prepare for an interview." The AI's response to that is going to be super generic garbage. But the engineered prompt using our new framework, check this out. Role, Google Recruiter. Context, I have 2 years experience at HSBC. Command, ask me hard coding questions. Format, categorized bullet list. Bam. The AI instantly transforms into a terrifyingly accurate Google hiring manager. But hey, before you run off and try this on every single app out there, please heed this warning from Dan Martell. He says, learning AI is like learning an instrument. Don't overwhelm yourself by bouncing between ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and a dozen others on day one. Just pick one single tool. Go deep before you go wide. Basically, master the piano before you try to pick up the guitar, right?
Section 4, build your personal brand. All right, you've built your skills, you're engineering amazing prompts. What's next? Let's take those raw skills and start building a personal brand and a portfolio. Because let's face it, skills don't pay the bills until people actually know you have them. Here's a quick cheat sheet for your toolkit. For text, Claude and GPT are your best friends. If you're a student building a research brand, Google's Notebook LM is unbelievable. It can turn your study notes into a literal audio podcast. For visual creators, you'll want to master Midjourney and Nano Banana. And for video, tools like Vdo 3 are generating hyper-realistic cinematic shots from simple text prompts in minutes.
So what do you actually build to get noticed? Well, here are some highly actionable ideas. You could start an agency creating AI-generated cinematic UGC, that's user-generated content, ads for local brands. Or you could build a faceless AI influencer. Ishan mentioned a really cool page called Row Files. It's an animated monkey series made entirely with AI that has millions of subscribers and lands massive brand deals. Or you could use models like Cdance 2.0 to animate AI avatars. The playbook here is simple. Build the audience first, and I promise you the lucrative opportunities will follow.
Section 5, land your AI job.
And that brings us to the final stage, the boss level. Taking your skills and your brand and actually landing that AI job or launching a profitable business. Honestly, there are 3 highly lucrative paths you can take right now. Path 1, become a freelance developer. Using AI coding agents like Emergent, complete beginners are literally building functional apps, like a Flappy Bird clone in 5 minutes. You can sell that speed to clients. Path 2, start an AI content or automation agency. You use tools like NN to connect different apps and then sell those fully automated workflows to businesses. Or path 3, if you already have a technical background, dive deep into core AI engineering and help build the actual models for the big tech companies. So the crucial point to take away from all of this is that the top 1% of earners in the AI space are operating at level 5. They've moved entirely away from just consuming AI and casually chatting with it. They are builders. They engineer context, they create complex automated systems, and they package those systems into tangible products that save businesses thousands of hours. That is where the real value and the real money is created.
As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a provocative thought. If AI can replace average coders, writers, and creators tomorrow, what unique human perspective are you going to pair with your new AI toolkit to make yourself absolutely irreplaceable? Really think about that. And in the meantime, which single AI tool are you going to commit to mastering first? Let us know down in the comments, plant your flag, and make that commitment to the community. In our next explainer, we are going to get incredibly hands-on and break down exactly how to build those custom AI automation workflows step by step. You definitely won't want to miss it. Keep leveling up, and I'll see you then.